When you design these toys, in the process, do you have to is there any engineering process that you also have to keep in mind, like tolerances and how they fit well together?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, over time, there's just the designers pick up on where the trouble spots might be in some cases, so we learned to avoid those. A lot of the engineering aspect was done through the Takara models, through trial and error.
Okay.
But the model partners they use in Tokyo, I always say that they understand every type of hinge, pivot, twist, possible to know how to engineer it so that we didn't have a lot of problems.
Mm-hmm.
But certainly on the Takara side, where to go? The gentleman on the left, upper left, is Shiragami-san, and he pretty much engineers every Transformer, Beyblade, and Beat-em-on Takara make.
Well, that's
He's
a lot
in charge of that. And he was my partner way back in the day, and now he's obviously elevated to a better position. But it was his task and his team's task to take these awesome design models and make sure they would work.
Okay.
And so I give him all the credit, really.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.